I started being a Christian in 2009, and that's when I first went to church with my mom. I wasn't here, but I was in Durban. When I came here in January, then I started following again, reading my Bible, getting to know God. I came to View Church, then fell in love again. So from then I've been joining a life group with Roselle, and then I heard about the baptism. Then they gave me a CD. I went home, I listened to it, and then I decided to get baptized. I want to thank my uncle for encouraging me. I was like a bit scared, but then he told me everything and why you have to get baptized and follow God's footsteps. You have to try and be like holy for every day that you go through any bad things. Well, my uncle gives me the scriptures about when God said, don't worry about anything, but pray about everything. I'm getting baptized because I want to follow in God's footsteps, and I want to get closer to God. I want to be more like God.